Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have epic fantasy choices for you. Would you rather build your ultimate fantasy mansion? With amazing fun choices. But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. Which house feels like love at first sight? Take a moment, your dream home is waiting. Now, pick a doorbell. Yes, the doorbell. It might be small, but it sets the tone for your whole home. Time to choose your bunk bed. Will you go with option 1, 2, or 3? Look at these inflatable pools. Which one are you jumping into first? Let's move inside. How would you style your living room? Which one you like the most? Now pick a bathroom. Which one feels the most like your style? Let's mix it up. Which pair of Crocs would you wear today? Next, grab your backpack. Which one fits your vibe? Look up. Which chandelier would you hang above your dream room? Time for a quick challenge. Comment your nickname, your favorite color, or your favorite food. Let's see what others are saying too. You're at the subway. Which train line takes you home safely? Back to design mode. Choose your favorite setup, the first, second, or third. Now pick a toilet paper holder. Yes, even the little things matter. After a long day, which jacuzzi are you relaxing in? Let's add some joy. Which furry friend is joining your family? Got your pet? Great! Now choose their dream home. Bonus round for Stitch fans. Tap your screen and try to stop the eyes in the perfect spot. How many taps did it take? Drop your result in the comments. Let's go futuristic. Which high-tech home would you move into? Next, pick your dream dining table. Which one feels right? Time for the kitchen. Option 1, 2, or 3. What about the sink? Which design would you go with? Now let's relax. Pick the massage chair with the best vibe. Picture your perfect garden. Which one would you walk through every morning? Coffee time. Pick the coffee maker that belongs in your dream kitchen. Choose a task now. Like the video, drop your birthday in the comments, or hit subscribe for more fun like this. We're off to the water park. Which slide are you going down? You can only pick one. Imagine the perfect fireplace. Which one belongs in your living room? Pick your favorite stuffed animal. The one that makes you feel most at home. Now choose a fun-themed lounger. Which one would you relax on? Dream bedtime. Which bed would you sleep in tonight? Let's get practical. Pick your favorite washing machine design. Time for a quick memory test. Remember the position of every fruit, where the strawberry is hiding. Got it? It was in spot number 5. Back to style. Which handbag would you take on your next trip? Dessert break. Which sweet treat are you reaching for? Now pick a tent. Which one would you camp in this weekend? Time to go big. Choose your dream castle. 1, 2, or 3. Let's light up the night. Pick the night lamp that feels just right. Choose your next bunk bed. Yes, again. Let's see how your style has evolved. Pick your suitcase design. Stitch, Hello Kitty, or Shrek? Which one do you love most? Small drink break. Which one are you sipping on? Gamers, it's your moment. Which game room would you call home? Now pick your PS5 setup. Which one fits your dream? Time to relax again. Choose the couch that looks the comfiest. Pick your favorite laptop. Will you use it for art, gaming, or creative work? Now choose a mouse for your setup. Which one looks and feels best? Pick your musical instrument. Would you play it or just display it? Headphones. Which pair would you never leave home without? What about your dream house staircase? Movie lovers, let's pick your dream home cinema, where you enjoy movies and series. Final choice, it's lunchtime. Pick your lunch. Which one you want to eat? That was amazing Ultimate Fantasy Mansion adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.